So we're in the ground floor SSW. We want to install some acoustic tiles on the ceiling. These are very lightweight. They're 50 centimetres by 50 centimetres, and we've got a certain design in mind. We want to have them installed. It's basically 3 of these in a row by 6, so it's 18 of these on one leaf. It needs to be fairly lightweight because they're being suspended using the same suspension kit that these lights are on. So these lights are on some metal suspension kits, and the lights are fairly light, so they can't hold massive amounts of weight, but they can hold some weight. So this is a piece of timber that Jai has suggested might work. It's going to have to be bigger than this. This piece isn't going to work. It's too small anyway. But this is there's one piece. There's a second piece. It's actually even wider than this because we need 3 of these, and deeper than this as well. So I'm not sure if that's going to be able to, the suspension kits will be able to withstand the weight of it. So the other thing I thought might work is actually building a little box like this, a much bigger size box in timber, and then we stick the tiles underneath here, and then we use a suspension kit to suspend them to the ceiling. So this would be very lightweight, and it won't warp because it's got some sides, and I'm hoping that system will be okay, because I'm concerned that the piece of timber out here, a piece of plywood, is going to be too heavy based on the size that we need. Okay.